Going to unlock a 2010 Chevy Corvette. State of the art in case there's any funny parts. That's right. Do you know where the keys are?
They're right there.
Good job. That's the way it happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes these are really difficult to open.
So, you know there's like connecting the bottom, right?
Yeah, I know how these work. I've been doing this a while. So where are the keys?
The keys are right here.
Yeah, let me go over there and look. There's these don't have an inside door handle other than the emergency release handle that's at the foot area. Yeah.
Yeah, it sucks, man.
It could be worse. Maybe they make it some without any kind of handle. Yeah, I've opened these before with that. Okay, so tell me where the keys are. I'm not a police officer. Retired from police duty. I'm more like a criminal. I'm a locksmith. You know, we're crooks. We charge too much.
How long have you been, were you in the force?
I wasn't in the force. No. Retired. I said retired from police duty.
Oh, okay.
The vehicle, not me. I'm a criminal, locksmith. I told that to a cop one time. He left for a while. They're making a lot of new cars without spare tires. I've got about 20 baby tires back. I had a small cloth one. It might be in here. Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Let me see if I can get this down there for the pedal. Yeah, I'm not in the area. I could, if I could tell I was very close.
Yeah.
If I couldn't have made it, I could have taken the stick back out and pulled this end out, and I probably would have had enough room. But anyway, we got it.
Yeah.
It's just enough. Nope. There's nothing inside. It's all digital. The robots know I'm here. In the old days, you signed with your finger, but now you can do whatever you want with your finger because you don't have to sign. All right. I'll text my business info in case you want to send me a Venmo for my careful work and whatnot. All right. Yeah, save my number. I'm in the neighborhood.